Good morning. We have started the chapter population dynamic. We have seen in the previously you have seen how the population of the world is divided. Many regions are very densely populated region and some regions are there in the world where its population is very less. Wherever the agriculture facility is there, the industries are there, the population concentrations are more over there, and the reason which having a very harsh climate or very less vegetations or the less facilities, the population is very less in this region. Now population density also we have seen in the particular area how many person is living in the particular area, that is the density of population. Now we'll start the next topic, that is a overpopulation. Overpopulation, we can use the term in which a small piece of a land, a number of people living, the composition is very high. The more people are living in the small piece of a land, like in our country, if you see the metro cities like the Mumbai, Delhi, where the lands are limited and the people from all over the India, they migrate to Mumbai, and because of that the land is limited and the population is very high. That is known as a overpopulation. Now in this world, in these days, because of the development, because of the agriculture development, medical facilities, because of the industry, the high standard of our living, because of this the population is increasing day by day, and that is only known as a overpopulation. Now causes of overpopulation, if you see the decline of a death rate. In the earlier days, the death rate was very high. Many people die because of the lack of the medical facilities. We having the vaccination, medicine for almost all the diseases. But in the earlier time, the medicines are not as developed. Because of that, the death rate was very high. Not only that, many feminines are there, like the plague, the failure of a crop, all the thing occurs, and because of that the death rate is very high in the earlier time. But now because of the development, we having the medical facilities, the death rate is decreasing day by day. And also we having better fertility, better medical facility. Decline in the death rate, first of all, better medical facility. Because of the medical facilities, now the lifespan of the people is increased. Lifespan means in the earlier times the people, because of the lack of medicine, they most of the people lived their life because of the medical facilities. But now we are having the many treatments, we are having many treatments, because of that the lifespan of a people is increasing. That results in the overpopulation. The last point is a fertility treatment. Now we are also having the many treatments for the fertility, and because of this treatment now the birth of the child is also increasing. These are the reasons for the overpopulation of any region. Now what is the problem of overpopulation? Overpopulation in the small area, when the many people start living, the many problems are there. If you know, in the metropolitan cities of India, like you take example of Mumbai, the land is limited, many peoples are there, so they having the many stories of a building. It is only because the land was limited. When the overpopulation of the any reason, the resources are limited and the population is high. So what happens in that case? The first effect is overpopulation, unemployment. Unemployment means the people are there ready to do work, but the job is not there. The people are not getting proper job, and because of that only, most of the people in our country is village, very poor people, or they does not have any job. Employment is not there because the number of people are high but the jobs are limited. India is agriculture country, most of the economy depends upon the agriculture. The industries or other sectors are less, so the job is also very less. And also when the population is high in the particular region, the capacity of a work is also decreases. And the second thing is the problem of the housing. The people, in the big cities, the people mainly lives in the slums. because the housing problem is there. Most of the people lives at the side of a road, at the side of the railway tracks. It is because the housing problem. Land was very limited in this region. Houses are not there. So the second problem is a housing facility, and the third was a health. When the population density is very high, the medical facility, it also affect on the health of the people. You know, the pollution of the region will naturally increase when the overcrowded places are there, the traffics were high, the forests were clear for the housing. Because of that, the population increases, and with the increase of the population, the health of a people will also affect it. These are the problem of the overpopulation. Now you have seen the overpopulation. What is the overpopulation? In the number, how this effect, overpopulation effect on the life of the people and also on the environment. Thank you very much.